The High Court today has passed an order and judgment directing the government to notify Mahadev Tiger Reserve under Section 38B of the Wildlife Protection Act. We have just got the copy of the order, we are studying it. It will be appropriate to comment on the judgment only upon reading the entire judgment. But the direction seems to be that within 3 months the government should notify this tiger reserve and take all steps which are necessary once it is notified. It has also directed that some anti-poaching camps etc. have to be placed insofar as this the tiger reserve is concerned. Several other directions are issued for the purpose of implementation of the statutory notifications as well as the provisions of the Wildlife Protection Act when it comes to tiger reserve is concerned. We are studying the matter. The order is passed just at 1:30, so we did not get time to, it's a lengthy order. So once we study the matter, we will be able to properly respond to your queries. But as of now, it is a matter of fact that the High Court has directed that a notification should be issued to make a tiger reserve.
So what is the time limit has been given for this?
The time limit as it appears from the operative portion of the order is, it is 3 months.
Within 3 months, government
the state government has a time to notify it to the extent of 3 months. See, it's very difficult to say it at this moment. Moment we read the judgment, see whether to challenge or not, you have to read the entire judgment and then we have to find out whether there are grounds or not. So we are in the process of studying the entire judgment. The judgment is quite lengthy. So moment we complete reading, we will take a decision.